Hi, I'm Nikki Keoho, CEO and co-founder of the DSWA, the Professional Association for Independent Sales Representatives. Are you tired of watching the rates go up on insurance, or your husband's rates having increases, your wife's? Watching, maybe you went on Cobra and you have this huge bill that you're shocked about. Maybe you're staying in the job that you don't like. If that's you, we are a great solution for you. We have partnered with US Health One, a leading company in bringing insurance to associations such as ours. And we've made it very simple. So just look at the Essential, Elite, and Executive Benefit bundles and call 888-417-0743 extension 1 to speak with a DSWA insurance advisor who will support you in choosing the perfect health, wealth, and life insurance for you. Looking forward to hearing from you, and thank you for being a part of your professional association.